Good morning, children. I'm Junaki Biswas, and today I'm going to start with Chapter 3 of your SST Evolution of Transport. We live in a society where we constantly interact with each other. From the early times, we have seen people moving from one place to another. We used to move in order to meet people or to exchange news or goods. Another important reason why people traveled was to carry out trade with other countries. So, improvement in transport has always been a priority among nations. People has always been thinking how to improve their transport so that they can carry out their trade smoothly and easily. In this chapter, we will study how transport evolved from the early times to the present day. Invention of wheel. During the prehistoric times, people were nomads. Nomads are the people who used to wander about from one place to another in search of food and shelter. And they used to travel on foot for long distances. They used to carry their goods by placing them on their heads or backs. They used to carry their goods by placing them on their heads and used to walk for long distances. Now, rich people, they had palanquin or palki, so they used to travel from one place to another on palki. Another turning point in transportation was the invention of wheel. Gradually, when people invented wheel, transportation became easier for them. It was easy for them to travel also from one place to another as well as to carry their goods also. These were then two flat carts called sledges which were dragged by person to carry goods. Gradually, these were fitted to the carts which were driven by animals such as bullocks, horses, camels, donkeys, and mules. This made the transportation of heavier loads easier. So, when people used to fit the animals on the carts, they used to carry their heavier loads easily. Reaching distant places, nomads or hunter gatherers gradually learned farming. They started settling down in one place and took up farming as their occupation. These farmers produce more goods than they need, so they felt the need to transport goods to faraway places. Now, gradually, the nomads learned farming and they started leading a settled life. So, when they started leading a settled life, they made farming as their occupation. They started growing crops. So when the crops were grown more than their needs, so they felt that they must transport these goods to faraway places and trade with the people of other places. By reaching distant land was difficult as there were no roads. People then felt easier to transport goods by water. Now, when there was no roads, people felt it very difficult to carry loads from one place to another. So they felt that waterways were very easier to carry goods from one place to another. There was a growth of civilization, especially on the river banks. Gradually, people started settling on the river banks and civilization sprung up on the river banks only for this reason. So this played an important role in the use of waterways to transport goods to distant land.